Hi there. I thought that today we would paint a reindeer. We're going to draw him first, of course. Let's see. Let's start with the little top of his head. We're going to come along here. We're going to make his ear. There we go. One ear. Two ears. Oh, he's going to be a cutie, I can tell. He's going to be adorable. Need the top part of his head. See how that goes? Let's give him some happy eyes. One, two. How does that look to you? Oh, we're going to make a rhyme now. Silly, silly. Little eyebrows. Let's give him a little character in his ears. That'll be fun. Let's see, he's going to need a reindeer nose. There we go, reindeer nose. Now he's going to have to be a happy reindeer, so we'll give him a big smile. There we go. And then the rest of his little face there. Oh, he looks like a happy fellow, don't you think? Now we're going to give him, I think, some white fur. So we're just going to zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. There we go, zigzag. Your zigzags may not look like mine, and that certainly is just fine. There we go. Looks like a little white bib, doesn't it? And then he needs the front end of his body. So we're going to come along, give him his chest. Little neck back here. His little back end. And his cute little tail is going to go right there. That looks like a happy tail. He's trying to signal us, right? Think happy thoughts. Okay. Back leg. Knee. There we go. And a hoof. And another leg. And a hoof. There we go. Two back legs. Let's give him his front legs. He can't go very far without two legs, right? Two in the front, two in the back. There we go. Front hoof number one. Knee. There we go. Oh, he's going to be a healthy reindeer. What do you think his job is going to be? Can you guess? What time of the year is it? You could be doing this in the summertime. Or you could be doing this in the wintertime. And if it's the wintertime, you know there's one reindeer that's so famous for having a red nose, so you might put a red nose on your reindeer. And what are you going to name your reindeer? Let me move my hand so you can see. Isn't he adorable? Okay, now he needs his other set of antlers. Coming along. I can hardly wait to start painting. I love to draw. And as soon as I draw, I love to paint. And I'm going to come this way so you can see better. I hope. And now I can't see through my hand, so I have to come like that. Okay. Now, I don't know if this will be a nighttime reindeer or a daytime reindeer. But I'm going to put a little star hanging off of one of his antlers. Because I think that would be fun, right? And we'll put a little bow. There's a little bow. Okay. And now, I think since he's probably in the forest, we'll put a tree. And again, if it's a certain time of year, it could be a certain kind of tree, right? There we go. Diagonals give you energy, and a curve, of course, is a series of diagonals. So we're going to have a lot of energy in this tree. There we go. This is a tall tree. There we go. Okay, I like our tree. Now, there's the top to my pen. You always want to put the top on so that it doesn't dry out. Now we are ready to paint. Okay, big decision. I'm going to start with his antlers because that way my hand doesn't get in it. Maybe. Sometimes my hand gets in it anyway. I think we need a little bit more color. Ooh, boy. I like that. What do you think? Are you going to make your antlers more yellow or more brown? I'm kind of happy on this one with the orange. There we go. Okay, we're off and running. Da, 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 da. Now, let's see. Let's give him a little tan face. And I'm not going to make this real thick paint. Just a little bit of brown. There we go. I might lift a little bit, you know. Some people say that watercolor is not forgiving, and what they mean is that you can't change it very much. But if you have a pretty good paper, I find that you can do a lot of amazing things. Just lift a little color up. And I know that I'm going to put his little mouth in there. So I'm going to blot this just a little bit so he's not quite as dark. There we go. That's just about the right intensity I wanted for that nose. Now, I'm going to leave this white, but you know in white we have blue shadows. So I'm going to put just a little to kind of show us that that's white. That does a good job. I'm going to come back to my brown. And let's paint this in. Oh, he's a cutie, all right. I would be happy to encounter this reindeer in the forest, wouldn't you? I wonder if he has any special friends. The one with the red nose, of course, has a friend that wears a red suit in December. You know who that might be. I bet you do. I was always real happy when that fellow in the big red suit and the big stomach would come to see me. All righty. Our little reindeer is a happy fellow. Because he loves cold weather. I'm going to make the leg in the back a little bit darker because it would be in shadow. There we go. All right, I think that's about the right intensity for that, and I like him. And I think that my red might be ready, that my mouth might be ready so that I can put the red mouth in very carefully. That's not looking really red, is it? Well, it is. We just have to pretend sometime. It's because the brown is nice and brown. Can you tell there's a little red there? I can see it, but sometimes it's hard to see on video. Okie dokie, now we need our beautiful Christmas tree. Or maybe he's just a regular forest tree. But he could be a Christmas tree if he wanted to be. There we go. I just always think of Christmas and reindeer. Now I'm going to leave a little white in there because that gives our watercolor a little life to it. And I'm going to blot it. I like that texture. Isn't that fun? So I'm going to leave it. Sometimes we have nice accidents that just make us happy. And now I think we need a brown trunk of our tree. What do you think? Yes. And then I'm going to show you a quick way to make snow. You're going to be surprised. And I'm going to lift a little bit of that because that's so dark that it's taking attention away from our reindeer. And I don't want that. So I'm going to lighten that trunk. See what a difference that makes? There we go. I like that better. It's a good color. It's just a little too dark. And I think I'll just bring a little bit more dark along his little belly here. He's been eating well this winter. There we go. Give him a little bit more color. Kind of play with that a little bit, I think. I will like that better. And you know, we artists, we're the main ones to make happy. It's fun to make the people we give it to happy, but we have to be happy with our artwork first. What do you think? Is that true for you? I want just a little bit more color on the bottom side of his tail. There we go. Give it a little bit more oomph. We definitely need oomph. Okay, let's give him I'm going to give him a black nose. And blue eyes. I think he is a blue-eyed reindeer. Oh, you're so adorable. Now, you could have given him a red nose if you wanted to, that's for sure. And we're going to put a bright yellow star. There we go. And now I am going to put some snow in the background. And I'm going to do that. Again, remember when we put this little bit of blue right there? If I put just this little bit of suggestion, that might tell us that that's a snowbank back there. What do you think? Could that be? I bet. That gives us just a little bit of pizzazz. I like that. Just a little bit. And now, since I love color, do you love color? Woo! Now that is a happy reindeer. Let's give him a little bit more on the ground. Da-da-da. What do you think? You like him? I think he's happy, and I'm happy with him. So, let's see. Make sure he's squared off so you can see him well. I have had fun being with you, and I hope you will enjoy painting your own reindeer, whether he has a red nose or not. Have fun. Love ya.